What is planned obsolescence? Have you ever noticed how your phone slows down just a few years after you buy it? Or how a washing machine that once lasted decades now breaks shortly after the warranty ends? This is not always an accident. This is something called planned obsolescence. Planned obsolescence is a strategy where products are deliberately designed to have a limited lifespan. Instead of lasting as long as possible, they are made to wear out, become outdated, or feel undesirable after a certain period of time. The goal is simple: to encourage consumers to replace products more frequently, driving continuous sales and profits. The concept dates back to the early 20th century. One of the earliest examples is the Phoebus cartel in the 1920s, where major light bulb manufacturers secretly agreed to limit the lifespan of light bulbs to around 1,000 hours, even though longer-lasting bulbs already existed. From that moment on, durability became a threat to business rather than a feature. Today, planned obsolescence takes many forms. Technical obsolescence happens when devices are designed with parts that wear out quickly or are difficult to repair. Software obsolescence occurs when updates slow down older devices or stop supporting them entirely. And psychological obsolescence targets our perception. New models, designs, or features make perfectly functional products feel old or embarrassing to own. While this model fuels economic growth and innovation, it comes with serious consequences. Consumers spend more money replacing items instead of repairing them. Electronic waste piles up, contributing to environmental damage and resource depletion. Rare materials like lithium, cobalt, and rare earth metals are mined at increasing rates, often under harmful social and environmental conditions. In response, resistance is growing. Movements like the right to repair demand that manufacturers make products easier to fix and maintain. Some countries are introducing laws that require longer warranties, repairability scores, and access to spare parts. At the same time, consumers are becoming more conscious, choosing durable products, repairing instead of replacing, and supporting brands that prioritize sustainability. Planned obsolescence forces us to ask an important question: are products meant to serve us, or are we meant to serve the cycle of consumption? Understanding how this system works is the first step toward making smarter choices for our wallets, for society, and for the planet.